What is a dire wolf? The dire wolf was a large, powerful predator that lived in North America during the late Pleistocene epoch. They were similar to but not the same as modern grey wolves. They were heavier, more robust, and had adaptations for taking down large prey. They went extinct around the end of the last ice age, possibly due to climate change and the extinction of their prey. 2. Recent discoveries about dire wolves. Until recently, scientists thought dire wolves were close relatives of grey wolves. However, a major 2021 study analyzing dire wolf DNA revealed that they were very distantly related, more like cousins than siblings. In fact, dire wolves diverged from other canines around 5-6 million years ago, making them a completely separate lineage. This means dire wolves were not just bigger grey wolves, they were truly unique. 3. Dire extinction possibilities. Dire extinction generally means trying to bring back extinct species through genetic engineering, cloning, or selective breeding. For dire wolves, there are major challenges. No living close relatives. Because dire wolves were so genetically different, there's no close species that could easily act as a template for cloning or genetic editing. No intact DNA. Fossilized dire wolves haven't yielded full genomes yet, only partial ancient DNA. Unlike frozen mammoths, for example, dire wolves died in warmer climates, where DNA breaks down faster. Technological hurdles. Even if we got enough DNA, we'd need a surrogate species to gestate the embryo, and there's no clear candidate. Thus, true dire wolf dire extinction is currently not feasible. However, some scientists suggest that we might one day be able to create a proxy animal, engineering modern canines to have certain traits of dire wolves. This would not be a real dire wolf, but more like a dire wolf-inspired creature. Ecological concerns. 4. Ethical and ecological concerns. Even if dire extinction were possible, there would be huge debates. Where would they live? How would they fit into modern ecosystems? Suffer because they evolved for an ice age world that's gone. Summary. Dire wolves are very different from modern wolves. Dire extinction faces major obstacles. No real dire wolves are coming back soon, but future biotechnology might allow for dire wolf-like animals.